Did you know you're probably not getting enough vitamin A if you're only eating carrots and spinach? Yup, it's true. Here's the deal. Carrots and veggies give you beta-carotene, not the active form of vitamin A. But your body only converts 3% of it. That's why you need to get vitamin A from foods like butter, egg yolks, beef liver, and cheese. These are packed with the real active form of vitamin A your body needs. So if you're feeling low, make sure to get these on your plate. Like and subscribe for more quick health tips.